A power outage or blackout preceded the raid in the wee hours of the morning. And when gunfire shots greeted the agents and operatives of the PNP CIDG, a heavy return of firepower ensued, and in less than an hour, Osamis Mayor Ray Parohinog, his wife Susan, and brother/provincial board member Octavio were dead, with shots to the head along with 9 other members of their household at that time. PTV correspondent on assignment Alan Francisco refreshes us on this police encounter against a reportedly thriving narco-political cartel in central Mindanao.
Osamis City Mayor Reynaldo Parohinog and several others were killed in a pre-dawn drug raid yesterday. Philippine National Police Osamis City said a total of 15 people were killed in the clash, which took place while policemen were serving search warrants on homes belonging to the Parohinog family. Also killed in the clash were the mayor's wife Susan and his brother, provincial board member Octavio Parohinog. A simultaneous raid in the house of Osamis councilor Ardot Parohinog was also conducted, but he was not seen in the house. In a press conference in PNP Osamis, Police Chief Inspector Jove Espinido reiterates that the first shot came from the Parohinog camp. According to Espinido, they confiscated from the Parohinog houses some firearms, ammunitions, grenades, shabu, drug paraphernalias, and money.
Yung high value target siya. Bakit nagpunta ako dito sa Osamis? Kasi declared siya na high value target sa illegal drugs.
Meanwhile, Vice Mayor Nova Princess Parohinog and others were also seen in Parohinog residences, and they were also shown in front of media. Authorities are now checking where the shabu possibly came from.
Hindi ako makatukoy kay Herbert, pero sa ganun na matansya naman natin kasi yung may nahuli namin na magsabi siya galing sa NBP pa ang drugs sa Osamis. NBP, so that's mean na galing doon, no?
Espinido explains they chose to serve search warrants at 2 in the morning so that no innocent civilians will be affected and be used as human shield. Osamis PNP chief is also ready to respond to the Senate if he will be called. Meanwhile, Espinido also said a policeman was also injured. He also narrates his conversations before with Mayor Parohinog.
Nag-try ako sa kay Mayor na, yun talaga, Mayor, last lang. Magkaibigan tayo, Mayor, pagka isurrender mo lahat yung sa inyo. Baril, kay Vice Mayor, drugs. Nag-ano siya sa akin na mag-surrender. Pero kalaonan, nang magsama na sila ni Vice Mayor Nova, hindi na natuloy yun. Kaya sila, ang sabi ni Vice Mayor na nakasurrender na. So pag siya kausapin ko, gusto niya kausapin ko kasama si Ardot, yung board member. Kaya para pinag-usapan na nila daw yung mag-surrender. Pero tabigyan ako niyang 1 week. Naglipas na ng 1 week, hindi nagsabi, hindi nagtawag. So, yun ang pagtingin ko sa kanya. But, trying hard tayo na talagang hindi mangyari sana na ganito ba. Kaya yun naman ang sinabi ko sa lahat na hindi tayo makakommit ng peacefulness kung magpatayan, maghulihan. Yung pinakadabis sana ba na balik loob.
He also warns the barangay chairpersons or supporters of Parohinog to surrender their firearms and drugs. Mayor Parohinog is allegedly connected to robbery group called Coratong Balileng, which was allegedly started by his father Octavio Sr. He also belongs to the list of narco-politicians, which was first narrated by President Rodrigo Duterte. Parohinog also surrendered firearms to the PNP last year. Meanwhile, his daughter, Vice Mayor Nova, is reported to have a romantic relationship with the high-profile believed inmate Herbert Culanco. Aldong and Nova Parohinog also faced grave case in Sandigan Bayan, but it was then dismissed eventually. The PNP is still investigating the incident. Together with RJ Guevara, I am Alan Francisco for The Nation, Osamis City.